Not the best morning for the people of Karnataka. Fuel prices could now burn a hole in the residents' pockets for the southern state of Karnataka. Petrol and diesel prices in Karnataka have increased after the state revised the sales tax by 3.92% on petrol and 4.10% on diesel. This has now led to opposition BJP slamming the Siddaramaiah government. They are charging at the ruling party. Basically, this is what has happened. The price of petrol has surged by 3, bringing the rate Bengaluru to 102.84 per litre. Previously, it was about 99.84. Similarly, the diesel prices has increased by about 3 rupees per litre, which means cost per litre now becomes 85.93. Earlier, it was about 83. Karnataka BJP, as an opposition, has jumped in and targeting the Siddaramaiah government, saying that now that the Siddaramaiah government is unable to rule properly. BJP has now demanded a rollback of sales tax hike. They're threatening a statewide protest on June 17th. BJP is alleging Congress government in Karnataka was only trying to fill its own treasury by putting the burden on common man.
I think people will reply to them during the next assembly elections, yeah, BBMP if it happens. I know Congress is trying to get people for BBMP elections ki Congress kar rahe. I think people will reply to them accordingly. Yes, sir. I don't think so. हाँ वही rumors कि कभी price कम नहीं होगा. Irrespective of the government, I think कि चाहे Congress हो BJP हो कोई भी, price will always go up and हम लोग पिसते ही रहेंगे. That's why I think a lot of deserving crowd is moving out of India.
Led Congress government has steeply increased diesel and petrol prices in the state. Soon after the parliament elections are over, this hike has been effected. People were expecting taka-tak 8,500 rupees into their account as promised by Rahul Gandhi. On the contrary, they have been hugely burdened by the increase in the petroleum products. This is an outcome of guarantee schemes pursued by the state government.